So the only things you're going to need is grated coconut. You can just chop it or anything you want it to work well with your blender, and then dates, and then tiger nuts. Make sure you've washed all these things very clean. You're going to put everything in the blender, okay? All the tiger nuts, the grated coconuts, and then your dates to sweeten it. And I mean, the health benefits of dates is just amazing, okay? Try to incorporate it, it would really help you. And then you blend all together. So that's what I had after blending. Go ahead and sieve your blended mixture. I actually use the wooden spoon to help me get out of the chaff a lot of juice, because this chaff was actually holding all the juice. And when I was done, I actually used a clean lace to even get out even more chaff, okay? You don't want to be drinking your Aphrodisiac and you have all these chaffs in it. It's not just because of it being an aphrodisiac. I mean, it's very, very healthy. It's very, very healthy, okay? But it's popularly known for helping your sexual life. You see all the chaff, okay? So that's it. We're done. That's it. And you add your milk. Delicious. I hope you enjoy it.